Some jobs don't pay you with money first, they pay you with silence. And the moment you accept that silence, you start lose something you did not know had a price. He wanted to become an entrepreneur, not famous, not flashy, just free. He worked harder than anyone knew. But progress was slow, and when dreams move slowly, fear starts speaking louder. पर बस एक उम्मीद की किरण एक दिन कुछ बदला या यूं कहूं कि एक रात कुछ बदला. One night, an email appeared on his phone. A job offer, half a crore per month, no background checks, no complicated rounds, just one interview. His mind said, this could solve everything. His heart stayed quiet. He went for the interview. No competition, every candidate selected. Strange. Something felt wrong. But he ignored because desperation is very good at silencing instincts. He accepted the job. The office did not feel like an office. People did not talk freely, they whispered. Smiles ended the moment someone walked past. Work was not discussed openly. It felt like everyone was hiding from something. One evening, something disclosed. He overheard a conversation, the owners, foreign businessman, confidential information, illegal exchanges. He understood everything, but did nothing. Money started coming in, fast, too fast, but sleep disappeared. Every night his mind replayed the same question. What if this is exposed? What if I am already guilty? He told himself, just a little longer, bas thoda aur. That was the second lie. One morning, on the way to work, something pierced his foot. वो रुका, बैठा और बस एक फैमिली को नोटिस करने लगा. वो हंस रहे थे, खाना शेयर कर रहे थे, बिल्कुल अनबोदर्ड थे. He spoke to them. They were ordinary corporate employees. ना कोई लग्जरी, ना कोई शॉर्टकट्स, लेकिन फिर भी एक पीसफुल लाइफ. रियलाइजेशन हिट्स. उसे इस चीज़ का एहसास हुआ कि डिसऑनेस्टी डिड नॉट गिव हिम वेल्थ. इट गेव हिम नॉइज, एंडलेस नॉइज, inside his head. Nothing much. The next day, he reported the company, returned every rupee, walked away with nothing except relief. He started again, cleaner, honest, because he learned one thing. Some money costs you peace, and peace, once lost, is very expensive to buy back.